MACD. MACD is an acronym for Moving Average Convergence Divergence. So let's set it up on our charts and we can run through this step by step to add the MACD to your chart. Click on Indicators at the top of the screen and search for MACD, and then click on the first search result. This will add a copy of the MACD indicator below our chart. The moving average convergence divergence is a popular technical analysis indicator, often favored for its simplicity and ability to identify trends and momentum in the Forex market. MACD line uses recent price movements to plot a line. Then a second line known as the signal line is plotted alongside the MACD. So we have two lines. MACD line is represented by blue color, while the signal line is represented by the orange color. In addition to the two lines, a standard MACD also has a histogram. The green histogram is known as the positive histogram, and the red histogram is known as the negative histogram. The purpose of the histogram is to plot the difference between the blue MACD line and the orange signal line. The periods when the MACD line is above the signal line will result in a positive value for the histogram, so we will see these green bars forming. Whereas when the MACD line is below the signal line, this will result in a negative value for the histogram, so we see these red bars forming. The farther away the MACD and signal bar, the bigger the bars on the histogram will be. A smaller histogram occurs when the lines are close together. So let's get into the strategy using the crossover strategy method. It consists of 3 steps. First, there is a clear trend that is defined. Then there is a pullback in the price to the recent support area. Lastly, there is a MACD cross-up with the histogram moving from red to green. Here we have a chart. So again, those steps are to find the trend, look for support, and then find a MACD cross-up. Here the trend is not easily identifiable. So in instances like this, we need to move to a larger time frame to identify the trend. We will do that now while looking at the larger time frame. Now we can see that an uptrend is easily identifiable. So now we've identified our uptrend. Next, we need to identify our support level. Support can be drawn at this level. The price has recently touched the area here again, and yet one more time. This makes a very strong area of support. Next, we find the MACD cross-up that can be seen here, with a histogram moving from red to green. The result is this move to the upside.